Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. Today we're going to be making vintage pineapple upside down cake. So to begin, we need 6 tablespoons of butter that has been melted, and we're going to pour this on the bottom of a springform pan. Next, we're going to sprinkle 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar over our melted butter on the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to add about 8 pineapple rings over our brown sugar and butter mixture, and then within each hole and in some of the crevices in between the pineapple rings, we're going to add maraschino cherries. Okay, so we're going to set aside our pan for a minute, and now we're going to turn our attention to making the cake. So to begin, we're going to take 1 egg, and we're going to add to that 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, as well as a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk on hand, you can use about a 1/2 cup of regular whole milk, and then add about a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. We're also going to add 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. You can also use Greek yogurt if you'd like. And we're also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, as well as about 1.5 teaspoons of brandy. And now we're going to prepare our dry ingredients. We need 1 cup of flour, and to that we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, as well as a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom, as well as 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're just going to mix our dry ingredients until they're combined, and then we're going to add them to our wet ingredients and stir this mixture just until the flour is absorbed. Once your batter is nicely combined, you're going to pour this over the pineapples in the bottom of your springform pan, and you want to do this gently so you don't disturb the pineapples and cherries too much. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Once the cake comes out of the oven, you're going to want to let it cool for about 30 or 40 minutes, and then you can remove the cake from the springform pan and then flip it upside down to reveal this festive looking cake. And here it is, pineapple upside down cake. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.